Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare BMW X6M versus Jeep SRT. These two high-performance SUVs represent distinct approaches to power and luxury. The BMW X6M is a sleek, performance-oriented coupe SUV, while the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT offers a more traditional, muscular SUV stance with serious speed. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to see which one might be the better fit for you. When it comes to raw power, the BMW X6M truly stands out. Its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces an impressive 617 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, while slightly less powerful, still packs a punch with its 6.4-liter Hemi V8, generating 475 horsepower and reaching 60 miles per hour in a respectable 4 seconds. Both offer exhilarating acceleration. Inside, the BMW X6M offers a highly luxurious experience with premium materials, advanced technology like its large curved display, and M-specific details. Its adaptive M suspension and large, staggered wheels provide sharp handling, though the ride can be firm. The Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT counters with a spacious, upscale cabin featuring comfortable leather seats and a user-friendly Uconnect infotainment system. Its sport-tuned suspension balances performance with a surprisingly smooth ride. When considering value, the BMW X6M starts at approximately $133,000, delivering a premium blend of extreme performance and high-end luxury. The Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, with a starting price around $66,000, offers impressive power and capability at a much more accessible cost. Both are fantastic, but cater to different budgets and desires. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.